particularly in relation to what the core issues may be for us to get a global understanding that we can intervene in a way that will be holistic.
Thank you very much. As you know, I come from a region which has a long tradition of dreaming about the approximation of laws and uniformization of jurisdiction of practice. And last year, just a year ago, during the Hungarian presidency of the European Union, we found that even in the European Union there are many obstacles in fighting transborder crimes and transborder corruptive cases. And we had to recall the Treaty on Functioning of the European Union to strengthen approximation of law, to try to set up very, very simple regulatory frameworks without ambiguities, without doubts, without contradictions, and without gaps. And we still, after decades of cooperation in the judicial matters, in criminal law matters, we still see that there are more obstacles than green light in fight transborder corruptive cases. So I think that only the simplification of substantial and procedural law can lead to a better cooperation. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
With regard to seizure of property arising from corrupt practices, I think what is happening, I will refer again to a situation back home, and probably because this particular issue had an international dimension, in that courts in the UK were involved. Regarding property that was perceived to have been corruptly acquired in one of the previous regimes, back in Zambia. There was this, there was litigation in the UK. It was, commenced in the UK courts. And the proceedings went on very well. It was protracted, hearing. But at the end of the day, one of the judges who were handling the matter in the UK did pass judgment in favor of, the Zambian government. And now it was a question of enforcement of that judgment back home in Zambia. But the court did find that there was indeed, overwhelming evidence of property that had been corruptly acquired or amassed by certain individuals who were in government and also in public, sector. And this property subsequently was seized in Zambia, and even the property that was located in the country was eventually sold by the government, and proceeds therefrom went towards developmental projects in the country to benefit all the citizens of the country. So in short, what I'm saying is that, where property has been seized, which has corruptly been acquired, I think it is right and proper that, the government of the particular country should, sell the property, and proceeds should go towards, the national treasury to benefit, the rest of the nationals in that particular country. Thank you.
Thank you very much.